एंड वेरी वार्म वेलकम टू अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ मेट्रो हाइट्स। मेरा नाम है अथर और मैं आज का आपका होस्ट हूँ। होस्ट हैं हमारे साथ मैम निधि जी। तो हम निधि जी का वेलकम करते हैं अपने चैनल मेट्रो हाइट्स पर एंड साथ में वी वेलकम ऑल ऑफ यू न्यू व्यूअर्स जिन्होंने चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर लिया, थैंक यू सो वेरी मच। एंड जिन्होंने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, प्लीज डू इट ऑन प्रायोरिटी फॉर सच वीडियोज एंड अलर्ट्स फ्रॉम अस। ओके, Mystic Studio is a full fledged showroom, I can say, based out in New Delhi. एंड जहाँ न्यू दिल्ली में एग्जैक्टली ये है मालवीय नगर में, ठीक है, बसंत कौर रोड पे है ये, ऑपोजिट राधिका एक्सपोर्ट्स। तो अगर आप विजिट करना चाहते हैं तो आप डेफिनेटली आ सकते हैं विद प्रायर अपॉइंटमेंट। एंड नहीं आ सकते तो यू कैन शॉप फ्रॉम एनी कॉर्नर ऑफ द वर्ल्ड एंड दैट्स आवर मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ होस्टिंग यूट्यूब वीडियोस। Well, today's collection is going to be a mixed bag of collection. Nidhi ji will elaborate on this topic. I won't be, speaking much about it. And few common things, fatafat, before we actually kick off. No COD, no free shipping, no return, no exchange policy. Parcel opening video is always mandatory, and for highlighting any kind of manufacturing defect. Okay. And both the buying options are open, retail as well as wholesale. Prices are that are going to be revealed are going to be retail prices, which means single piece price. For wholesale, you may get in touch with the team at Mystic Studio. We do not reveal wholesale terms in price list purely due to commercial reasons. Okay, but when it comes to quantum in wholesale buying, it will be one single set that will have all the sizes. Else you may buy in assortment, mix and match, that is 15 to 20 pieces. Okay. So I think I have covered almost all the points. So without any further delay, we get started. I give control to Nidhi ji. Over to you, Nidhi ji. A brief introduction about yourself, about the upcoming segment.
So first of all, I'm Nidhi Tandon from Mystic Studio. We are an 18-year-old brand of Delhi exhibition world, touching 19 rather. And we are in all exhibitions, Delhi, NCR, touching different towns and cities now. So you would find us in a lot of cities and towns. In the upcoming Tej segment of exhibitions. So मेरा बस इतना ही कहना है, हमारा वीडियो थोड़ा लंबा होगा, प्लीज उसे 2 parts में देख लीजिए, because one is a casual segment, the other is a segment which we have prepared for semi-formals for the Tej and Rakhi upcoming shows, because I won't be available majorly in July to do a full-fledged show with Metro Heights. So we are giving you kaftans, Indo-Westerns, shirts, a very few suits, and lot of quad sets. So let's start off the collection. And please, if there is a parcel opening defect, though, we have an entire team now of 4 people doing the parcel. Just get back to us on a personal basis.
All right.
So let's start off with the shirts, which is a hit.
Article
number 1 is this. और हमारे पास काफी पीसेस में सिंगल पीसेस भी रहेंगे काफी चीजों में. And shirts are fastest finger fast, guys. So this is the first one, and you can see the embroidery out here.
Is it cotton?
It's absolutely cotton linen with a neck piece. Neck pieces जो accessories है -100 हो जाएगा in case you do not want. So I'm clarifying that in the starting in case you don't want. So but we always pep up with the accessories. So this is a 12.95. And all embroidered piece, medium to 2XL. You can apply 3XL. Please check with me for more pieces. Another one is a hand paint piece, small, medium, large, and XL. The price is only 1095. Another piece is again a special beige, medium to XL, double XL. Still आप sizes please पता करते रहना, because कई बारी हमारे पास 2 pieces होते हैं, कई बारी फिर से वही piece repeat हो जाता है.
Price of the neck piece is included in the price of the article.
Yes. This is a 1250, again a very cute piece. Then we have a stream of shiftlets which we have got made.
Wow, I like the neck piece of this shiftless shirt.
And we are, this one is medium to a 4XL category में हमने बनाए हैं. और all alteration in case आपको किसी में alteration करानी हो, हम definitely करा के देंगे. ठीक है, that's all inclusive. So you can see this.
प्योर कॉटन शिफले.
प्योर कॉटन शिफले. शिफले की शर्ट्स हमारी सारी ऑनलाइन, अगर आप फेसबुक इंस्टाग्राम भी चेक करोगे तो 1400 ही रहती है.
ठीक है.
तो ये सारा हमारा शिफले का न्यू अराइवल्स हैं. और एवरी डे बेसिस वी आर एडिंग शर्ट्स, गाइज. इन केस आपको ये वाला लॉट नहीं मिलता, आप वीडियो बाद में देखते हैं, तो यू कैन गेट बैक टू मी फॉर मोर अपडेट्स. फॉर एवरी डे वी हैव न्यू अपडेट्स.
ऑल राइट.
एंड देन वी हैव दिस एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड पीस. And this is medium to a XL types. Double XL you can check with us. It's a cotton blend with embroidery at the back also. This is 1295. Then this one is a 999 with these beads. This is medium to a XL. Then small, medium, large only with the beads. 888. Pure cotton. Look at this pure cotton. Medium to a double XL. 3XL तक जाएगा. In fact, the price is 999. Another one, again pure cotton. इसमें इस तरह से we have embroidery. And this is again a 999. This one is an imported piece, guys. Small, medium, large को ही आएगा. Price is 999 again. Another chiffle. ये आपका 5XL तक चला जाएगा piece.
What is the fabric? Cheese cotton, is it?
Chiffle.
No, no.
Pure cotton, cheese cotton and साथ में chiffle भी है.
शिफले भी है.
बहुत
And ये जो
अच्छा
ये
piece है.
स्टार्स बने एम्ब्रॉयडरी है क्या?
नहीं, print है.
प्रिंट है, ठीक है. With a
And this
placket
is
behind.
again वही 1400 bracket, but it's so soothing. I personally have the same piece.
All right.
I mean, it's a loser for me also, but it looks really pretty.
Very
Medium
nice.
to double XL again. ये वाला आपका again बहुत सारा embroidery है. Price is 1095. 1250 with so much of embroidery.
All right.
1250 only. And the fabric is par excellence again. Then we have in 888 these ones. These are 888. Next piece. मीडियम से लेकर आपका चीज कॉटन आ गया. अगेन एक्सेल तक है. प्राइस इज 999. Another one is this one. Do not miss this striped. If you're a stripe lover, medium to double XL. 999. 888 small, medium, large ही रहेगा ये. And another one is a pure cotton imported piece, medium to large.
This is very nice. A pure party wear shirt.
Yes, pure party wear shirt. This is 1195. और इसी के अंदर ये वाली organza में है 1250 में.
This is
Medium
organza.
to
Okay.
large.
All ribbon work. Huh?
Yes.
And yeah.
This is a pure cotton again. Cotton linen आ गया. Look at this.
Beautiful.
इक्कत है medium to XL. Price is 1095. All embroidered. 1250. Medium to a XL again. And this one is a small, medium, large, and XL with the beads. The price is 1095. Now this is a statement shirt. We are developing more pieces in this.
What is the fabric? Imported. I
Fabric
believe.
is imported.
Okay.
Price is 1600 only.
All right.
1600 only. And this one you can have a look at this one. Pure cotton में है, थोड़ा सा लंबा है.
It's a bit asymmetrical
Yes.
in shape.
And the
all
price
chiffly.
is 1095.
Pure cotton.
Next piece.
This is some. This is an extraordinary piece, viewers, because of its neck piece and the color.
The color is also different and
Matte
the price
green.
is.
Yeah.
This is all
And,
chiffle.
yeah,
नेट आ रहा है बीच में. ये कॉटन आ रहा है. So it's a very nice piece at 1395.
With printed detailing.
मीडियम टू डबल एक्सेल रहेगा ये. देन थोड़ा सा ओवर साइज में जाते हैं. दिस इज अ कॉटन
Denim.
महेश्वरी. नो इट्स नॉट डेनिम.
Is it Maheshwari?
यस, कॉटन महेश्वरी कह लो बिकॉज इसमें उसका टच है. और दिस इज द एम्ब्रॉयडरी. द प्राइस इज 1495 एंड ओवर साइज शर्ट. Another oversized shirt. I'm mentioning this personally because कई shirts हम alter करा सकते हैं, कई नहीं करा पाएंगे जैसे ये है. Oversized shirt again. The price is 1295. This one is a super soft cotton net, again imported. The price is 1250. Another imported piece with this flower. ये भी medium to double XL है. Price is only 1100. Then we have this oversized shirt, but इसको अगर आप बोलोगे small भी करा दो तो मैं करा
This is the
दूंगी.
short kurta actually.
It's a kurta. आराम से हो जाएगा.
What is the fabric?
Fabric is again cheese cotton embroidered. Again, some of the pieces are for dog charity. It is actually, this one is for dog charity.
So tell me something. The kurta that you're holding is what sized? Size?
अभी ये plus size है. 52 को बहुत अच्छा आएगा.
52.
बहुत अच्छा.
Yeah, it looks
46 to
a
52.
big size kurta actually. Plus
It
size
is a
kurta.
very nice piece. These are all singles or doubles or triple pieces. And this particular piece is 1450. So that's for dog charity. You could be liberal. And then because we are showing you all brackets. Pure cotton mull.
So part of the money goes to
Yes.
dog charity.
888 only. Then we have this long tunic kurta types. जिनको भी लॉन्ग चाहिए, ये भी इसमें साइजेस आपको मिल जाएंगे. एंड इस तरह से गोल्ड से एम्ब्रॉयडरी है. आई डोंट नो हाउ मच इज विजिबल टू यू.
Yeah. It's zari work actually.
It's zari work.
Golden zari work.
And the price is 1150.
What is the fabric?
Pure cotton.
Pure cotton.
Purest
Okay.
cotton. Then we have this one. ये भी आपका कुर्ता टाइप हमने थोड़ा सा हिप कवरिंग बनाया है. ये मीडियम से लेकर आपका 46-48 आएगा. All embroidered 1295. चीज कॉटन के आई थिंक अगर और पीसेस होंगे तो और निकालेंगे. ये भी लंबा हमने है. ये भी लंबा है. बटन्स बाई चांस क्लोज नहीं है.
ग्रे कलर है.
ग्रे कलर. प्राइसेस 999.
एंड बबल फैब्रिक है ना.
999 ओनली. This is
चीज
again
कॉटन. या
cheese cotton. Then this is hosiery, though we hardly use any hosiery. By chance this was a different asymmetric, so we've used it with the neck piece. Price is 1000. Another one is
denim
this.
shirt.
Cotton and denim,
Denim
again
shirt,
imported. 1095.
All right.
This we've got diamantes put. By chance we are left with only one piece, small, medium, large category mein. So we'll put it on sale at 1250 only. So I was showing you this one, so you can see this one.
Diamantes.
Medium to XL रहेगा and the price point is 1400.
Fabric.
Pure cotton.
Pure cotton. Diamantes के साथ viewers.
Yes.
Wow.
और ये
This
आपका
is
आ गया चीज कॉटन में. अगेन
Wow.
oversized shirt with the neck piece. अगर आप बोलोगे मैं स्मॉल भी करा सकती हूँ, मैं फिर से रिपीट कर.
क्लासिक है.
The
क्लासिक
price
कलर
is
है.
1195.
वेरी नाइस. ये साइड में रखना.
And then we have this one, medium to a double XL, triple XL bracket, pure cotton again, 999.
उधर रख दो.
Again another blue, medium to XL ही रहेगा with the beads, 888. Long shirt, because lot of people long shirts पीछे भी buttons है, as dresses भी डाल रहे हैं. So I've shown you a couple of long shirts, whatever will come.
Cotton ना?
Pure cotton, सारा pure cotton चाहिए चल रहा है. जैसे ही change होगा mode, I will change it for you. Then we have this one. ये वाला asymmetric में है और with the beads है. The price is 1195. Wrinkle small, medium, large में 750. Another hot pink, because hot pink सबसे ज़्यादा डिमांड में रहा है हम लोगों के लिए, is only 1000. 850 pure cotton. This is a imported piece. Medium to double XL रहेगा. Price is 1400. Then we have this medium to plus sizes hand paint के साथ. Price is 1400 for the hand paint. 850 pure cotton मल. इसके नीचे आपको definitely slip डालनी पड़ेगी. Another one, medium to a double XL. 850. Again another hosiery, but it's a very cute hosiery with so much of embroidery. And it's only 1095. Another embroidered piece, small, medium, large only, full on embroidery, 1250. Pure cotton again, medium to a good double XL, triple XL, 999. Another piece ikat 999. Medium to a XL. Then this would be a free size, guys. A kaftan look, free size with the neck piece, 1195. Another piece is this. So this is again an imported piece with this same neck piece. Price is 1400. Now this is a little formal piece. और जॉर्जेट आ जाता है with the chiffle. Price is 1000. 888 small, medium, large and XL with these beads. 888 again with the beads. Medium to a large. 999 satin crepe, medium to a double XL with the beads. And this one is a branded piece, guys. Whoever gets it is a good piece with the beautiful neck piece. Price is 1195. Medium to a double XL. This one is strictly in Georgette, double Georgette पर है. बीड्स आ गए, लंबी शर्ट है, बट ये स्मॉल, मीडियम, लार्ज को ही आएगी, अदरवाइज डू नॉट बाय. ये मीडियम टू 44 आ जाती है विद द बीड्स. प्राइस इज 1400. एंड जस्ट वांटेड टू मेंशन द प्राइस ऑफ दिस वन इज 1400 अगेन.
व्हाट्स द फैब्रिक? कीप
Double
टेलिंग द
Georgette.
फैब्रिक.
Double
जॉर्जेट. ओके.
Inspired by chic. And then मतलब I can just explain it like that. Small, medium, large.
Good one. This is satin.
Satin crepe. ये सारा
Crepe,
आपका
satin
formal
crepe,
lounge
yeah.
wear आ जाएगा. Small, medium, large only. Prices flat 1000. This
ये साइड में रखना बेटा.
This will come in the bracket of medium to 5XL. You will need a slip under this, and the price is only 1150.
कशिश ये येलो लेमन येलो भी साइड में रखना,
And then we have this black slips
वो भी
everybody
रखना
has,
साइड में वो रखना।
but इस पे सारा एम्ब्रॉयडरी है, ये देखो ये सारी एम्ब्रॉयडरी चल रही है. It's a formal piece for 1350 only. Now these are the imported pieces which we have launched. It's all Kashmiri sort of an embroidery in 3 color tones. They are statement pieces. The price is strictly on demand. Strictly on demand. Color 1, दोनों तरफ
The
embroidery.
moment I saw this on the rack ना, it was like wow.
Color 2, I can show you my own picture wearing this. It looks really ravishing. Small से लेकर good plus size तक आ जाता है.
So this is all Kashmiri Ari work, huh?
Yes.
Wow.
And then
तीनों
you
side में
can
रखना है ये।
see these two. These are 1650 only. Again ये free size article रहता है.
All right. Beautiful.
So this
Linen
is,
ना?
This is pure cotton linen.
हाँ.
And it's
Fully embroidered.
full on jal both sides. And the price point for this is 2588 only. And that's the back look.
Beautiful.
2588 and medium to double XL is available. And now we also have this one. This is a little hip covering, again cotton linen blended ही है ये. इस तरह से sleeves पे work है, and it also has this kind of a bag with it. The price is 2488, and even in this we have plus sizes as well. So don't think कि ये 44 size तक available है, ये medium to 54 तक available. And these are again cotton linen blends with embroidery coming up with a little formalish collection also. This is 2588. And then we have these doll pieces, 2 colors, medium to
Ribbon work, हाँ?
46 size. Price is 2299 only.
बेटा ये दोनों साइड में रख दे कशिश, मुझे
Then-
तो इधर रख देता हूँ, इधर तो मुझे तो
Then we have medium to XLs. Very pretty nice pieces. Again जाल आ रहा है पूरा इसमें. Imported fabric है. Price is only 1888.
वेरी गुड.
Another 2 imported fabric quads are these two.
व्यूअर्स कभी कभी मैं हमेशा आजकल एक बात बोल रहा हूँ कि जो इम्पोर्टेड फैब्रिक ना, पहला ऐसा टाइम था जब सिंथेटिक आता था बहुत, लेकिन इतना
बहुत।
रेवोल्यूशन आ गया है दुनिया में कि इम्पोर्टेड फैब्रिक उन लोग भी समझ गए कि भाई इंडियन वेदर कंडीशंस क्या हैं, तो उसी हिसाब से इन लोग एक्सपोर्ट करते हैं अपनी कंट्री में, हमारी कंट्री में फिर इम्पोर्ट होता है. तो बहुत ही बढ़िया इम्पोर्टेड फैब्रिक है. जरा नजदीक लाइए दीदी जी. वाह, व्हाट अ फैब्रिक. सीरियसली आई एम टेलिंग यू गाइज, वेरी नाइस फैब्रिक, वेरी नाइस फैब्रिक. सीरियसली व्यूअर्स मस्ट बाय. आई एम टेलिंग यू, मुझे याद रखोगे आप, ये वाला फैब्रिक जरूर बाय करें. बहुत अच्छी कॉट सेट्स हैं ये. सीरियसली. बॉटल गॉड कलर
Medium to 3.
एंड आइवरी वाइट.
Yeah, 2 pieces only. And these come as free sizes basically. But if you want alterations, we will definitely do.
Amazing fabric. I'm telling you viewers, I mean if you don't buy you will regret.
So
दोनों दे
this
दो.
is
Side में.
2488.
2488. एक मिनट.
And then we have these khada cotton pieces again.
कोरा कॉटन दिया.
Kora cotton medium to double XL sizes रहेंगे. Price is only 1495.
1495.
95.
All right.
Then we have varied sizes in this शिफले.
शिफले. शिफले में भी कितने वेरिएशंस आ गए हैं.
बहुत सारे अभी और भी आ रहे हैं. And these are 2588 and all sizes available till 46 size. And I want to explain the piece to you. पीछे में भी कॉटन है, लाइनिंग में भी कॉटन है, सिर्फ आगे शिफले दिया हमने, so that it's very soothing to the skin. Then we have these crochet pieces.
नीचे रखना टेबल पे.
And these have been
Wait.
a highlight crochet pieces, 2488 each. And medium to 4XLs are available in this.
What was the fabric? Imported fabric ना
It's
this
an
is?
imported soothing fabric.
ठीक है.
And then this is again imported fabric. This is a crepe. And then we have 3 color tones in this.
So massive range of cord sets are available in today's episode, viewers. So you have wide variety of choice.
So these also
To pick
come.
up,
So
yeah.
these also come as free sizes.
Next.
So this is also 2488. And then we have these kind of Kardana cords with
Very smart.
pure chiffon sleeves, medium to double
And what is
XL.
the suit fabric? Is it Vatican silk?
कॉटन और मसलिन और लिनन का ब्लेंड आता है ये हमारा आए दिन बहुत चलता है.
ठीक है.
And this is also 2488. Then we have more imported cords like this, medium to double XL category का cord है ये, 2 colors में, और price इसका रहेगा 1999 on sale. Then we have cheese cotton pieces, only 2 pieces with us guys. Medium to XL category, and the price point for this is only and only 1295. And another ones, now ये हमारा मसलिन सिल्क के पीसेस है. इसके कलर टोन्स आप देख लीजिए. ये वाले आपके कलर टोन्स आ रहे हैं.
और ये फैब्रिक कौन सा इंपोर्टेड है क्या?
नहीं, ये मसलिन सिल्क है,
पॉली सिल्क है,
वेरी मच
सेमी मसलिन
बना है, और पूरा हाथ का काम आप देख सकते हो.
एक मिनट छू के देखने दो मुझे प्लीज. सेमी मसलिन है व्यूअर्स, लेकिन सही है, मतलब सेमी मसलिन है, ठीक है.
और ये आई थिंक लास्ट ईयर तक भी इसका प्राइस था 3500 विद अस. राइट नाउ इट्स 2500 on sale on a new arrival guys. Don't think it's last year ka or something, but new arrivals. This is our Tej and Rakhi edit. Okay, now I wanted to show you this one, medium to double XL again. This is also a very elegant piece at 1999.
Denim na?
Yes, denim के थोड़े से pieces और दिखा रही हूँ मैं. और ये वाला आपको प्लस साइजेस में भी मिल जाएंगे, दोनों मीडियम टू प्लस मिल जाएंगे. These are also 2488 again. 2488 only. Another piece which is available from medium to plus 56 size तक मिल जाएगा ये वाला, जैसे 1999 only. Another piece medium to plus 56 size तक मिल जाएगा. मीडियम टू प्लस ये वाला 1999 का है, ये आपको 2500 में पड़ेगा, डबल जॉर्जेट में है. Medium to plus, this we get made. Then we have a single piece in the micropore which is with the trouser. This is 2999. Again, medium to plus can wear. Another piece is this one. It's what we get made for different shows in different colors. The price is 3500. Kashmiri work series. This one is again a muslin blend. Yeah. This is also, if you say, you can say it's an imported fabric, and it's a very pretty nice cord, and the price point for this is 2299.
Okay.
Then we have some more of the shiftless which I wanted to show you. जैसे ये lemonish beige आ रहा है, ये proper beige आ रहा है,
पीछे plain है,
पीछे plain है, and we've gotten a purple color specially for Metro Heights today.
Very nice.
2588. This is also पीछे plain. And this, so these are very very pretty nice pieces. Also we have a couple of muslin quads which I wanted to show you, which have come in for the show itself. Are these piece 1, piece 2.
Sizes
इसमें medium to 46 है. अब मैं आपको प्राइसिंग बता रही हूँ. Medium to 46, again a beautiful color tone, ये वाला. Then we have this one. Prices सबके हमने एक ही करे हुए हैं, 1999. These are all textured, nice, beautiful pieces. Super soft for the skin, for whether you're in Chennai or Hyderabad or probably in Kashmir. They are just pretty numbers. And this for people who like hot pink. So these are all a batch of 1999 in the muslin category. Now single piece और कुछ डबल भी हो सकते हैं इसमें on sale. So medium large अभी मैं मेंशन कर रही हूँ आपको.
This is all embroidery work and fabric is
pure cotton.
1888.
Single pieces के हिसाब से पहले मैं sizes बोल रही हूँ, but I might have more pieces. We didn't have
What was
time
the price?
1888 on sale. ये सारे जितने भी कोड्स बोल रही हूँ सारे सेल पे रहेंगे इसके बाद के. 1888 on sale. Medium to 2XL. 1888 on sale. This one is a double XL. This is a large. 1400 on sale. This is an imported piece again. This one is a size medium large, and this is a double XL. 1495 on sale. This is a medium large. 1295 on sale, guys. And a couple of pieces till double XL for this one. Very pretty nice number. 2195 on sale. Then we have a single piece medium. इसमें बहुत सारा मार्जिन है, छोटा बड़ा हो सकता है. 2195 on sale. Then we have a single piece medium large. 2295 on sale. 2395 on sale. 2499 on sale. 2500 on sale. 2600 on sale. 2700 on sale. 2800 on sale. 2900 on sale. 3000 on sale. 4000 on sale. 4100 on sale. 4200 on sale. 4300 on sale. 4400 on sale. 4500 on sale. 4600 on sale. 4700 on sale. 4800 on sale. 4900 on sale. 5000 on sale. 5500 on sale. 6000 on sale. 7000 on sale. 8000 on sale. 9000 on sale. 9100 on sale. 9200 on sale. 9300 on sale. 9400 on sale. 9500 on sale. 9600 on sale. 9700 on sale. 9800 on sale. 9900 on sale. 10000 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 on sale. 100 This one is 2495 on sale.
Mm-hmm.
Very pretty piece, up till 48 available, guys. Medium to 48. 2650 on sale.
Ribbon
It's a
work.
double georgette. यहाँ से अंगरख की तरह आ जाता है.
Mm.
And this one is a 2299 on sale with white pants. Another one, medium to XL, beautiful piece. I just adore
All
it.
fringes.
It's really a good, nice designer piece. Medium to XL available. Price is 2350. Medium to 44 available.
Mm-hmm.
1850.
Mm-hmm.
Another one, medium to a XL, double XL available. Beautiful, nice piece. ये देखो,
Mm.
इस तरह से रहे. 1888. Pure cotton mull. Medium to a double XL available.
Mm-hmm.
Price is 2199.
Mm-hmm.
Medium to a, look at the ticha cut of this piece. Medium to a good size.
Mm-hmm.
XL, double XL available. Price is only and only 1888.
Mm-hmm.
1650 पे medium to a double XL available.
Mm-hmm.
1450 only medium large.
Mm-hmm.
Another article, ये आपका medium से लेकर आरी वर्क का है.
Mm-hmm.
डबल एक्सएल तक अवेलेबल है. पूरी आरी वर्क यहाँ जा रही है.
Mm.
प्राइस इज ओनली एंड ओनली 1650.
Mm-hmm.
नाउ लॉन्ग कॉर्ड में आप ये देख सकते हैं, बहुत ही प्यारा पीस है. 3XL तक अवेलेबल है विद दिस नेक पीस.
Mm-hmm.
1999 ओनली.
Mm-hmm.
अनदर आर्टिकल, ये आपका आ गया सुंदर सा जीब्रा.
Mm-hmm.
मीडियम टू एक्सएल.
Wow, it looks so nice.
1650 ओनली.
Very nice.
A few, I think इसमें सिर्फ स्मॉल मीडियम है, बट विल चेक इफ वी हैव
Yes, I
मोर.
will.
तो मीडियम तक ही अभी आप ऑर्डर दीजिए.
Mm.
1888
All embroidery, huh? This one.
ऑल एम्ब्रॉयडरी
Navy blue color. And what is the
1
fabric? Cotton or
Pure
what?
cotton,
Pure cotton.
pure.
ये साइड में रखना कशिश.
विद द फ्रिंजेस. अभी मैं मीडियम तक इसको प्रॉमिस कर रही हूँ.
बहुत प्यारा है ये, हाँ.
मीडियम टू डबल एक्सएल प्योर कॉटन अगेन 1999 ऑन सेल.
Hmm.
और ये वाला आपका स्मॉल मीडियम लार्ज में है. इसमें भी कॉटन लिनन ब्लेंड आ रहा है. पूरा जरी वर्क है. 1999 ऑन सेल. मीडियम टू एक्सएल अगेन 1999 ऑन सेल. इम्पोर्टेड फैब्रिक. Another piece, we had a few since morning, but we have only one now.
Mm-hmm.
ये मीडियम टू डबल एक्सएल ब्रैकेट पे आता है. 1999 ऑन सेल. मीडियम टू डबल एक्सएल 1999 ऑन सेल.
Mm-hmm.
मीडियम लार्ज
Mm-hmm.
1695 on sale.
Mm-hmm.
A beautiful piece with lot of sizes up to the plus.
Mm-hmm.
1695 on sale.
Mm-hmm.
Then this one is medium to a size 44. You can inquire for more pieces in this. This is the pants.
Mm-hmm.
The price is 1999 on sale.
All right.
And this is the last quad of the days, and we'll show you more brackets now.
Mm-hmm.
And this is only and only 1888 on sale.
Hmm. All right.
So I'm showing you a few pieces for dog charity, and this is a Pintix dress first of all,
Mm-hmm.
and this is a free size. The price is only and only 1650.
Fabric.
Fabric is pure cotton.
Hmm.
And it's a statement piece. Another statement piece for dog charity is this. Whatever color you say, we can develop it. The price for Arthur's channel is only 1999. Otherwise it's 2588.
Hmm.
Another one, these are two patterns, two
Beautiful.
pieces of the same pattern, sorry.
Beautiful.
These also we develop in all sizes.
High-low pattern.
High-low
Side में रखना.
pattern.
What is the fabric?
Pure cotton.
Pure cotton. Side में रख देने ये दोनों.
And the price is 1999 only.
Yeah, it's a dress actually, huh?
Yes. Dress के लो, high लो, अगर tight जानिए डालो. And this we have in the pure linen category. Plus sizes तक जाएगा. I wanted to show you a standalone piece for 1750 only. Another denim. ये भी आपका फ्री साइज कैटेगरी का हमने जो डेवलप कर रहे हैं और भी is 1495. Again a high low is this one. Price is only 1395. Then we have these dresses which are again imported dresses, which I forgot to show you. Very pretty pieces, medium to plus जाएंगे. Price is 1999 only. Long quads, right? is also in fashion, and you can see the highlighting of Kardana in it and sequins in two colors. Medium to 46 size available hai. Price is 1999 only.
All right.
Then we have a couple of pieces like this. So white में हमारे पास ये दोनों है patterns है off white.
So is it a two-piece suit?
It's a two-piece suit only, and the price is 2195.
Fabric?
Pure muslin.
Okay, so it has figure motifs, huh? Both the dresses.
2195.
And self में weave है.
And proper इसमें highlighting भी मिलेगा.
चिड़िया है
चिड़िया.
नीचे. Yeah.
और हो सकता है चिड़िया में भी मेरे पास black हो, but we haven't opened it because all stock has come in for this session. And plus we have 30 shows in July and
this
August.
is a very nice one.
These are on sale in fact, and sizes are available till 3XL. Price is 1999
दोनों side.
only.
ठीक है.
Pure cotton है ये भी guys.
Okay.
Okay, so this we can't trace the other colors in this. So you can ask me the other colors. This is the highlight. We also have a model shoot in this piece. The price is strictly on demand. अब कुछ section ऐसा है कि on demand रहेगा. Please respect us for that because we have a 80,000 data bank and about 585 resellers. So this is a drape. जिस तरह से ये drape fall करता है, you can ask us. The price is 3800. Then tulip pants के साथ ये concept है guys. Price is 3800. Then we have 2495 पर ये बहुत pretty से pieces. 2495 3 color tones. So 2495 पे ये बहुत ही pretty से मसलिन के concept pieces हैं. Medium to 46 size.
Collar पे handwork है.
Available collar पे भी और sleeve पे.
Sleeves पे भी.
And these are drapes which are forever with us, and we always restock for you guys because ये बहुत सुंदर लगते हैं. So different color tones आ जाती है हमेशा.
Cape kaftans ना?
Cape kaftans. Then you can see our model shoot in these two pieces. They look really ravishing because with model shoot you come to know exactly what the drape is like because this whole edit is about drapes. So bareek embroidery के साथ you can see these two pieces. Then we have 2-piece sets pure chinon में. जैसे इसका पिंक लोअर है, इसका पर्पल. ये आपका 3400 पे आता है प्योर फैब्रिक पर. 1200 रुपया मीटर. देन अगेन प्योर क्रेप फैब्रिक्स में थोड़ा ये भी बहुत प्रिटी से पीसेस हैं डिवाइडर के साथ. मीडियम टू 50 साइजेस अवेलेबल. एंड नाउ 3 प्रिंट्स इन द सेम एम्ब्रॉयडरी. पीस 1 2 एंड 3. So ये सारे बहुत क्लासिक पीसेस हैं आपके राखी तीज की amalgamation for startups, for whatever you want. Then we have these 2 divider pieces. इसमें भी आप कोई भी साइज हमारे से मीडियम लार्ज ऑनवर्ड्स ले सकते हो. क्रेप 60 ग्राम सारा आ रहा है.
जॉर्जेट ना? क्रेप,
ये वाला क्रेप है. जॉर्जेट, क्रेप, प्योर चिनॉन्स, यही फैब्रिक्स हैं सारे प्रीमियम. एंड दिस वन इज विद ट्यूलिप पैंट्स. And we have 2 color tones in this. ये आपके 2 color tones आ गए. We've got you to the most pastel chart to the darker charts according to your own style now. Then we have these 2 with Farshi salwar. I think that's the most in thing at the moment. So these are with Farshi salwar and you can see कि पीछे भी embroidery है. So obviously price point would be accordingly. So this kind of stock with us is going to all different multi-designer stores. And this is the piece. इसके अंदर भी आपको 2 color tones मिल जाएंगे. Very pretty nice number in
very
crepe.
beautiful, very beautiful.
और इसमें शायद हमारे पास रामा ग्रीन भी है. We need to check it. You can get back to us. And another new piece, guys. This is also a very rich piece with work on the sleeves. So these are all drapes which we actually display at Delhi Exhibition World. So a little low budget pieces like this you can usually we stock up quite often. Piece 1, piece 2 is this and piece 3 is this. These are short kaftans. आप जैसे मर्जी इनको ड्रेस अप कर सकते हैं. इनके आगे पीछे दोनों में एम्ब्रॉयडरी मिलेगी and price is 1650 only. Then we have an amalgamation of kaftans which we are showing you. This is a long one and the price is 2888 only. These 2 are complete sets. The price is 3200 only. ये वाला पूरा सेट है आपका और ये भी पूरा सेट है, ये 2 कलर टोन्स आ जाती हैं इसमें. And then we have this beautiful black piece for black lovers. And the price is only 3600. Chinon में है and it's like that. Another piece, a divider piece, is like this. इसकी भी model shoot मिल जाएगी आपको. It's 3500 only. These are all pure pieces, so just adhere to the pricing. ये different pieces है सारे.
सारा हैंडवर्क है व्यूअर्स, हैवी हैंडवर्क है. ये ओम्ब्रे में ये ओम्ब्रे शेड है क्या?
ये ओम्ब्रे
डबल डाई. ओके, व्हाट इज द फैब्रिक?
प्योर चिनॉन.
प्योर चिनॉन, वेरी
सारा
ब्यूटीफुल,
embroidered
बहुत
pieces
प्यारा फैब्रिक है व्यूअर्स. अच्छा वो ब्लू वाला, हाँ ठीक है.
Another one is this one. ये आपका again crepe 60 grams आ रहा है. Another piece with tulip pants like this. Another crepe article. Look at this. And look in the golden hangings. So this makes it look really nice.
Coin hangings, yeah.
Very, very pretty, nice pieces. Then we have a little budgeted piece in 3 colors. These are 32.99 only. ये आपका पूरा palazzo के साथ set है. And now the premium kaftan quads are these, because these are not available with any vendor all over India, all over the world. जितने मर्जी किसी भी कलर में मल्टीपल पीसेस आप बनवा सकते हैं. प्राइसेस स्ट्रिक्टली ऑन डिमांड. These are not available with any vendor.
Very nice. This is also very pretty. All पोत का काम.
सारे बहुत pretty.
और ये फैब्रिक कौन सा है जो आपने होल्ड किया है?
Pure chinon georgette.
Pure chinon georgette, yeah.
And then we have some printed pieces like this. Printed kaftans, low budget. These are 2350 piece 1. 2350 piece 2. We have some more prints in case they come for the video, fine. Otherwise you can ask us on a video call if you're a wholesale person. Then we have crepe kaftans like this, which are on a deal, steel deal. And somebody has actually commented जो आप प्राइस दे रहे हैं वो है ही नहीं मार्केट में. Yes, ours is 2582. And now premium long kaftans. So उसमें हमारे पास ये पैटर्न है. Piece 1,
थोड़ा नीचे रखना.
piece 2, piece 3, the rose one, another rose, light color, इस तरह से. Another piece rose में जैसे हमने आपको ये प्लेन दे दिया, इसमें कलर टोन्स आ गए. और इसी का एक और कलर टोन आप ये देख लीजिए.
Nice.
So these look really pretty. These are forever with us. Some people might be bored. Oh God, ये हमेशा दिखाते हैं. हमेशा न्यू होता है. हमेशा बिक जाता है. क्या करें?
Beautiful.
Because this is our lifeline.
पीछे वाला कॉफी कलर साइड में रखना. Yeah,
And
beautiful.
this. So
All
these
long
are the.
kaftans. Chinon georgettes, yeah.
And now this is again a set, guys. Do not miss it. ये आपका ऑर्गेन्जा में आ जाता है. इसके साथ हमारी स्लिप बन रही है, पर प्योर का पीस है ये भी. You can see a black because black की काफी डिमांड थी.
Fabric.
Chinon.
All handwork.
All handwork. All of them are handwork. And एक लॉन्ग वाला हम और दिखा देते हैं आपको. Greens are really doing good with us. Look at this bareek embroidery in the green. Here you go.
Beautiful.
So that's all about it for the kaftans, and we'll go to some little suit category so that you know we do suits.
Yeah.
Showing you a couple of gowns because that's the need of the hour now for Rakhi and Tej. And we have these two beautiful colors with work on the dupatta as well. It's an alki work on the dupatta. 1 and 2, all sizes available till 48. And we have this beautiful drape, another drape, and 2 more patterns on gowns. 1 more pattern on gowns, sorry, with a drape at the back. So that's the drape at the back, which looks really pretty.
Place it on a table, na?
Yes.
Yeah. So it's
So
all
these-
long gowns, huh?
These are all long gowns which you can wear for cocktails and different occasions. I have curtailed the shararas today, but we have those also. And now some suits. A very little collection of suits I'm showing you. Medium to 46. Price is 2500 for this. Another piece. Medium to 44. Price is 2650 for this. medium to 44, 46 size Georgette now is prices 2650 with work here. A beautiful black piece is this one. So ये सारा आपका ribbon work आ गया. This is the sleeve पे भी with ribbon work with this kind of a dupatta 2650. Another two Georgette pieces 2495. These are anarkalis at 2495 only. Hot pink and yellow. Then we have muslin suits like this, which are 2299 only, with so much of work. And another one is a white color, and showing you a white and black collection of suits. So this is 1650 and two-tone dupatta. Another one is a black color, all embroidered piece. Look at this, with a scarf. So इसमें इस तरह का scarf आ रहा है. We have sizes in this. Lot of sizes. Then we have this one. It's a 1295, medium to an XL, and medium to a double XL. This one.
ये साइड में रखना.
The price of this one is only and only 1800. Pure Malchanderi.
You get zari, you get organza dupatta, tissue organza.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is what?
This is a mal and a beautiful piece. The price is 2595. Another one 1595 और पीछे भी इसके वर्क है और इधर भी.
फ्रंट दिखाना. मुक्तेश्वर प्रिंट में है.
Yes, and a patch at the back.
ठीक है, and embroidery work as well.
And then we have this one. This one is with a cotton sharara like this. So
शिफली वर्क के साथ.
शिफली वर्क के साथ. और आप आराम से शर्ट के साथ you can wear a trouser as well. So you will have two suits handy. The price is 2595. Again another mull in two colors. दो color tones में आ रहा है ये. Look at this.
ठीक है.
And the next to go इधर is this. इसके अंदर में आप सिर्फ कुर्ता और palazzo भी ले सकते हैं. And we have this one with the dupatta. So we have lot of sizes in this quad, which we have added this dupatta. So it looks very nice and pretty.
Yeah.
Look at this. Price is strictly on demand. Then we have another chiffle piece. You can have a look at this one. This is the trouser. इस तरह से आ रही है और mirror work के साथ chiffle. Another piece is this suit. पूरा block के साथ है. बहुत pretty piece है. ये देखिए पूरा block print के साथ. Another one we have a couple of pieces with tulip pants. In this piece, pure cotton में है ये. Two-tone dupatta. Then we have this muslin diaries, medium to 46. Georgette article. This is a beautiful Georgette article with all handwork. We can again paste a scarf to pep it up. And this one is good from medium to plus sizes. Again, ये muslin का premium article है, highlighted subtly. Will go till size 48.
All right.
So
that was all in today's episode. So thank you so much Nidhi ji, and thank you all for watching this video with patience, and thank you for all your love and support as usual. So I hope you would have liked this video. You must have liked this video. If yes, please grab your favorite article as soon as possible before somebody else comes and grabs it. Okay, so be the first one to grab. तो थैंक यू सो मच निधि जी, एंड मिलते हैं बहुत जल्दी एक नए एपिसोड में.
Metro Heights.
या थैंक यू सो मच. मिलेंगे बहुत जल्दी. टिल देन गुड बाय एंड हैप्पी शॉपिंग.